Hi there. In this video I'm going to show you how to set Chrome as your default browser in Windows 11. So in theory you get to this window the second you install Chrome, and you can simply click on Set as Default. Okay, you could have simply clicked on that Set as Default that was on Google Chrome initial page when you install it, or if you already closed it and didn't set it up as default, you simply open it up. It will show you this thingy, click on it, taking you to Windows settings. Now that we are here, let's scroll a bit lower until we find Google Chrome. And yes, sorry for recording the screen like this, I just moved into a new location, I don't have anything set up, so bear with me. Then right click on the first thing for HTML, set Google Chrome, OK. HTML, same, right click on it, set Google Chrome, OK. When you first do this, it will actually sometimes tell you to try Windows Edge, but you probably don't want to try it, that's why you are here, so just give it a no. Or a switch anyway, I don't know exactly, I don't remember exactly the text. Most of these will be handled by Chrome. FTP, again we want Chrome. HTTP, again we want Chrome. And when we set actually HTTP, it will also change a bunch of others by itself, so you might want to set HTTP first, because you might need to change less by hand. So at this moment, Google Chrome is default browser on this Windows 11 machine. Now we simply close this, and if we close Google Chrome and start it once again, it will not give us that message because it is default. Or if you don't know how to get to that menu, you can again right click on anything and set adjust date and time, for example. It brings us to the settings menu, and then we go to apps and default apps, and in here again we browse, or we can simply search for Chrome, and basically we are right back where we were before. So that's about it for this video. Hope it helps you, in which case please give it a like, check out my other videos, and as always, see you in the next one. And have fun with using Windows 11. I like it. Bye.